Content can sometimes appear bland when presented in a single column format. Let's use this section as an example. By using a two-column format for the bullet point list, the layout becomes more compact and makes better use of horizontal space across the page. To illustrate the difference, let's look at how it was before. In this example, finding a way to fill the extra space left by the content is a challenge. Here's a quick and simple tip to effectively utilize a two-column format. Firstly, add a new section to your page in the Hostinger website builder. You can start with a blank section. I've prepared some content on ChatGPT, which we'll copy over.
Begin by adding a single text block. The Hostinger website builder allows you to duplicate this block in the next step. Once you have pasted the content, you can duplicate the section as mentioned before deleting any content that is no longer required. If the section seems overloaded, count the bullet points. There are 7 in this example. You'll then remove the last 3 items from the first column and the first 4 from the second column. Some editing may be necessary to ensure everything fits well, and you might need to re-add some bullet points.
You can then rearrange and structure the content as needed. Don't forget to adjust the margins for clear, surrounding white space. This approach transforms bland single-column content into a more dynamic, multi-column layout. Always remember to test how it looks on a mobile view after making these changes.